starting the refit of my Kingfisher 30. As you can see, I've removed a lot of the forepeak. Sorry about the quality, but I've only got a tablet. So for a while now, I've been trying to find the right location to refit this boat. As you can see, sorry about the washout there, but like I said, not got a very good quality. So as you can see, the Kingfisher is all fiberglass. All the interior is fiberglass, as you can see here, and it actually makes them quite a good build. The problem is it's very hard to do anything. Like, we need to insulate this boat. This boat was sitting in a field for 15 years. I've done some work on the exterior previously, but now I've got to remove all of this today, well, hopefully today. Right up there, as you see, that's a fiberglass bulkhead again. And this is how Kingfisher does all of their builds. Everything is fiberglass, except for this bulkhead here. As you can see, it's quite rusty, but this bulkhead is wood. So, I mean, everything, literally everything is fiberglass, other than this little part here. As you can hear, it's definitely wood. I mean, you can see the state of the boat at the moment. It's not, well, it's just not in good condition. This is supposed to be the toilet area, but as you can see, there's, well, it's literally falling apart. So I'm going to be working on this today. I'm going to cut off for now, and then I'll come back on in a bit, and I'll show you what progress I've made.